Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Shout out to the Adidas team for sending me some sunglasses my way so that I could use them to style this video with. This is going to be a complete unboxing on the Unheard of collaboration with Adidas on the Adidas Adistar Cushion 3, and these are called the Pork Chop Piggy Runners. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we are going to be talking about a collaboration done with Unheard of. This is actually my first time doing a sneaker video on an Unheard of collaboration, and this is with the Adidas team on the Adistar Cushion 3. So we'll go through the overview of these, then talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled this lovely pop of pink, and then we'll conclude with how much these are going for on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. So for those of you who have been following kind of the sneaker news, you probably already know that these were limited to 1,500. So this is one of 1,500, this pair. It also released in a second colorway option, which was a light powder blue color scheme, which only released in store. I was able to snag a pair of the pink, which preferably was my favorite between the two colorways. And I do love how this packaging looks in person. So after I kind of talk about the upper, we will jump into the entire box, which comes with a lot of fun trinkets. So a lot of things that went into the concept of this sneaker. So the Unheard of brand is based in Cincinnati, and I actually didn't know this, but Cincinnati is kind of known for pork manufacturing out there. So that's kind of where you're getting this piggy aesthetic. But also the owner kind of discusses how pink is one of those kind of colorways that guys kind of got made fun of. And so there's kind of a little bit of a storyline behind that in intriguing the kind of pig statement. So as far as the upper goes, you're getting some nice suede textures and this light rose pink tone. We've got some light pink laces, and then this really adorable cute pig cartoon. Kind of looks like he's sweating a little bit on the top there, and it's nicely embroidered, really high quality, and then it's on this mesh light powder pink tongue here. And then as far as the eyelets go, you are getting these light hues of red. I do love a good pink and red color combination. I feel like the two colors just really vibe and go so well together. All right, so now let's jump into the box. The box is honestly what really brings this sneaker together. I think that the packaging is so well done, very cute, very unique, and I feel like when you're somebody who saves your boxes like myself, this is probably something that is going to stand out among all of my boxes that I currently have in all of my closets. So let's get into the unboxing of this. All right, so this, as you can kind of see, it looks exactly like a heart candy box. We've got the Oink Oink Piggy on the front with Unheard of's brand on the top, and then of course we've got the candy hearts, which are so cute and adorable with different sayings on it. All right, so now let's open up the box, which is also decorated on the interior. We've got so many different cute little hearts: adore me, miss you, first kiss, and you do have a secondary lace option here, which is in red. Again, like I was saying, love me some red intermixed with pink. Then we've got this really cute stuffed animal pig who is decked out in some Adidas athletic wear. So this piggy is ready to hit the gym, I think. Then we've got some Unheard unheard of actual candies here. Mine, for some reason, I don't know why, but you can see how this box is kind of beat up. For some reason, they packaged the candy on top of the box, and so when it was packaged, this got crushed completely, which it's okay. I don't know how, but my candies are fully intact. Then we have this keychain with unheard of and the pig on there. Then we've got an air freshener, car air freshener with the pig on it. Then we've got some sweatbands here so I can match the pig as well. So I guess when I'm hitting the gym, I'm bringing this pig with me. Then we've got another set of keychains. This has oink oink on it and unheard of with 2 different hearts, one in blue and one in pink. And then, oh, this is so cute. So this is like Valentine's Day cards, exactly what you would get like when you were in school, or I don't know, as adults you may get these as well. Oh wait, we've got more. We've got more air fresheners in here. So you get 2 of those, and then a cute little piggy sticker. This is crazy. You usually don't get this amount of items inside of sneaker collaborations. So Unheard of really took it to the next level and really just filled this package up with all of these memorabilias of the holiday of Valentine's Day. All right, let's put all of this back and we'll jump into some close-ups on all of those details of the sneaker. All right, so wrapping to the side panels, we're getting more color variations of this rose pink suede and underlays of that powder pink mesh, which wraps its way to the back. We've got the Adidas trifold logo in red, which pops perfectly off of that powder pink. And then on the lateral side, we've got the same color combination. The interior is also very detailed. We've got that cute little piggy in there as well. And then we've got Adidas's logo. And then it looks like we've got some other pigs on the back, and oh, another different insole here, which is in pink, and then we've got some nice big pig eyes in there with the same pig. And then when we work our way to the midsole, this is really beautifully done as well. I love how pearlescent this is. It's got some glitter in there for this pearlescent pink metallic color scheme on top of the powder pink midsole. And we've got the Adipreme technology in these. These are super comfy, just so you know. Nice comfort, fits to a T. And then we've got some nice transparent color schemes for this rubber outsole. And then we've got that cute piggy underneath. Let me hold him upside. I'm holding him upside down, and more of that metallic pink glitter color tone on the bottom. And then it looks like we've got a different design here. It's the eyeballs that you have on the insole. So lots of details on these sneakers. I'll let you take a look at all of those ones I went through. Oh wait, before I say that too, before we go, we've got some eyes on the back here and the Adidas on this one. So some different factors, but these eyes are actually embroidered too. So again, just super high quality on this pair. Alright, so as far as size and fit goes, I went true to size and these fit me perfectly. Again, I do have high arch feet that are quite narrow, so do take that into consideration when trying to find the perfect fit for you. All right, now let's jump into styling. All right, for the first look, I decided to go all monochromatic and really dress these up with this really nice, beautiful pastel pink. Sorry, what was I gonna say? All right, so for the first look, I decided to go with a nice romper or jumpsuit, which was in this nice pastel pink tone, which I felt like paired perfectly for these, especially if you're trying to go for a more dressed up look and feel.
Always cooking something, I'm never slipping. Sticking to my plan A, no snicking. I ain't gonna give up till I'm reaching, I swear. There's a good girl in her face, gotta keep my head up. Got a head full of James and ain't gonna stop, no. No.
For the second look, switched up a little bit with some white cargo pants, and I wore this graphic tee that says "No hate, just cake," and it's got that same color combination of pink and red, which paired perfectly with this. And then I wrapped a nice just crew neck pink sweatshirt on me, which you could also wear instead of the tee if it's a little colder weather.
In my mind, in my world, I'm a sucker for my hopes. I'm a sucker of high hopes. I'll press play in my mind, in my world. I'm a sucker for my hopes. I'm a sucker of high hopes. Always been a day dreamer, a bet breeder, never on the safe shore. Dive deeper, whatever it is.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to go monochromatic with a red hoodie and some matching sweatshirts that were also in red.
Reader, never on the safe shore. Dive deeper, whatever didn't kill me, baby. A believer, oh yeah. There's a good girl in her face, gotta keep my head up. Got a head full of James and ain't gonna stop, no.
I'm tryna stick in your rear shit like whoa. It kinda tickles in there. I'm feeling tipsy off a pill. Someone get me a beer, a micro. Now some Billy's upstairs. Then I swallowed all of the bottle, dog. I really don't care. Shit. Baby, I'm just tryna get it on air. She wanna give me her love. It's like she isn't aware. I ain't getting married. I barely engage in conversation. She wanna BBL. I ain't paying for that operation. I'm not Aubrey Graham. Got no patience for a broad this brain that always harbored hatred for the cops, but I still rock with bacon. What you going through? If you see me with your bitch, tell me what you going through. What you going through? Shawty say she wanna lick, I feel just like fun. What you going through? She a dog, she ain't shit, so that make me dog food. What you going through? Tell me what you going through? I just roll the dice, I'm not worried about making foes in life. I pour a pint when my mind goes on overdrive, it works alright. I don't fuck with coke, it's a boring high, I don't snort those lines. I need something to warm my mind, wait, what do horses like? Give me all of that.
All right, so as far as retail goes, these retailed for $185. There's a little bit of resale on these. It's going between $185 to $230. Congrats to anyone who was able to cop a pair of these. And again, for any of those glasses that I wore in that styling segment, again, those are all Adidas sunglasses. They are so amazing. I had no clue Adidas actually made sunglasses that high quality, and they were the perfect pairing for this sneaker. So again, thank you to the Adidas team for sending those my way. That is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this styling and unboxing segment. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next episode.
Like an insomniac, I don't want to molly or resent, that's not my contract. They leave me throwing up, I want to feel just like a pony does, screaming
Pony Club
to the point that I destroy.